Mastering the phrase, I made a mistake. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive deep into a very common and important phrase in English, I made a mistake. Understanding this phrase will not only help you communicate more effectively but also help you understand native speakers better. Let's get started. I made a mistake is a phrase used to acknowledge that you have done something incorrectly or wrongly. It's a way to take responsibility for an action that didn't turn out as intended. The word mistake refers to an action or judgment that is misguided or wrong. Admitting that you've made a mistake is crucial in various aspects of life. It shows that you are honest, responsible, and capable of learning and growing. In English-speaking cultures, people generally respect those who can admit their faults and learn from them. 1. Simple usage. I made a mistake when I forgot to call you. 2. With an explanation. I made a mistake by not checking the expiration date of the milk. 3. In professional settings, I made a mistake in the report, but I've corrected it and updated the file. When someone says, I made a mistake, it's polite to acknowledge their admission and, if appropriate, offer support or forgiveness. Responses can include, thank you for letting me know. Everyone makes mistakes. Let's figure out how to fix this. I appreciate your honesty. How can we prevent this in the future? Not using it when needed. Not admitting to mistakes can lead to misunderstandings or trust issues. Overusing it. Constantly saying, I made a mistake, for trivial matters might lead people to think you're not careful or competent. I made a mistake is a powerful phrase that can help you communicate more effectively and build trust with others. Remember, making mistakes is human, but acknowledging and learning from them is what leads to growth and success. I hope this lesson helps you use this phrase confidently and appropriately in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.